What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be telling you guys how to stay in the beginner plan limit, free plan limit in the Mailchimp. For that, the process is very simple, easy, and to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So there are some things that you cannot access in the free plan. For example, when you go to the campaigns, you go to the email templates, and if you are looking forward to, do anything with the email templates, login, landing pages, there are some specific factors that you cannot add. For example, that is specifically for the paid plans. Other than that, there are some that you can add it and that you can uh, use in the free plans. But most of those are for the paid plans. There are automations that you cannot use in the paid plan, in the free plan, my bad. But for the paid plan, you can use the automation more exclusively. The contact list, there's a 250 contact lists, hard stop. You cannot add more than those contacts. If you want to stay in the free plan, make sure that your contact list stay within 250 people. And for the analytics, you cannot get the custom report. You need to upgrade to the standard plan in order to get that. And for the website and the content and the integration, all those tools, there are where you can integrate your or add your Shopify store, any store, e-commerce store with it. But in order to use the features like a detail report, custom report, and all that stuff, it comes with a standard plan, one smart. So if you want to know about like what plan suits you best, go to the upgrade plan option, and then you will be able to see that custom coded email templates comes with the standard plans, generative AI features, advanced segmentation and reporting, enhanced automation, personalization on onboarding, data-driven optimization tools, all that stuff, and especially email contact lists. I told you that for the free plans, it comes with the 250 limit, but for the standard plan, it goes to 100,000. But then again, the price limit increases. Right now, if you want to go and send 150, you can use this one, and it works perfectly fine. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this really helpful. Take care.